Hello all and welcome back. I'm Alicia. I'm happy to share my first review video with you. This is the LUSH brand Noir Henna hair dye. I've been using this brand of henna for approximately 5 years, and I chose this brand based on their reputation for wholesome ingredients. As you can see, I have used approximately 1/3 of the bar. This receipt shows the original purchase cost of the block of henna. The wrapping surrounding the henna block has instructions for the henna application. The henna must be broken down into your desired amount for your application. I will be using about 1/2 of the remaining bar of henna, which would be about another 1/3 of the original bar. Once I've broken off the desired amount, I then further crush that into more manageable pieces to prepare for the eventual application. At this point, I prepare to add water to get a smooth consistency and allow the henna to develop in color. I allow this color to develop anywhere from 30 minutes to 3 hours. Before applying the henna, I protect my skin with the petroleum jelly. This will avoid the color from staining my skin. I also add an additional liquid if need be to the henna to get the right consistency. I'm looking for a pudding or yogurt-like consistency. I then transfer the henna to an easy to apply bottle and start the process. Because I've applied henna before, I initially concentrate on the length of hair that does not have henna, much like any touch-up process. You see that my hair is already sectioned. This application is done on dry hair. My last wash or rinse was approximately 3 to 5 days prior. This is my method for most applications of any products to my hair. I find that sectioning off my hair minimizes damage, tangles, and time. After applying the henna to each section, I twist and bantu it back before moving on to the next section. Once all the virgin hair or untreated root hair is covered, I then go back and spread the remaining henna throughout, ensuring maximum coverage. Once I'm satisfied that my hair has max coverage, I cover with as many processing caps as necessary to cover the henna and my hairline. I use 3 caps here due to the height of the bantu knot. I also follow up with plastic wrap. I point out areas that are most prone to not getting full coverage or processing due to the henna drying, crumbling, and falling out of my hair. This is also where I further deviate from the LUSH instructions. I keep the henna in my hair overnight. This is how I wrap my hair and head to avoid any staining and further mess. The first thing to do in the following morning is wash the henna out of my hair. I want to rinse as much of the henna out of my hair before shampooing. I start with just a water rinse of my hair. I do this until the water runs clear. Then I move to shampoo. I do a total of 4 shampoos. With each shampoo, I notice less and less of the henna until I have none. Once the shampooing is complete, I liberally apply a deep conditioner and another processing cap. I then move to sit for a hooded hot steam treatment. The hot steam allows for better penetration of the deep conditioner. The hot steam treatment lasts 15 to 20 minutes. Once the hot steam treatment is complete, I jump in the shower and I rinse my hair out. These are the wet results, followed by the blow drying process. Again, you'll notice that I work in sections in order to minimize damage, breakage, and time. As I wrap up the application process, let's go over the pros and cons. Because, as you remember, this is a review. The reason that I have used LUSH's Noir Henna Hair Dye for several years is that it provides for me a protective coating on my strands. It makes my hair more manageable. It does not dry my hair out, and it provides coverage to my gray. Now for the cons. The lengthy process of applying henna. It may also be a messy process. For some, the cost may be a factor. Another, hair color will not take after using henna. The noir is not a true blue-black color. And the last one, is that the Lush store locations are limited and online orders may take a while. As you watch the final results, I hope that you have found this video informative. Also, if you have any opinions or experience with this brand of henna or any other, please leave a comment. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to follow along with my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.